Hi, hello and welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. Now that Navaratri, Dashara, Diwali is all around the corner, I thought I will share a quick and an easy sweet recipe. The name of this recipe is called 7 Cupcake or 7 Cup Burfi. Although the name says cake, it is not got to do anything related with cake. It is a sweet like a burfi or a kaju katli kind of a burfi. In case you are a beginner in cooking or you're newly married, then this recipe is going to be very easy to make. This is a recipe where you cannot mess out on anything, that you will not get the right kind of output. It's going to be super simple, super yummy and super quick too. So let's get started. Now for the ingredients, we will need 1 cup of besan or kadala maavu, 1 cup of ghee, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of grated coconut and 3 cups of sugar. I have measured sugar in the same cup, 3 cups of sugar. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So that is the reason it is called a 7 cup burfi or 7 cup cake. You will also need a greased plate or a thali like this. Now in a pan, I am going to add this 1 cup of besan and slightly dry roast it. I have not added any ghee or anything to the pan. Just plain besan flour or kadla maavu into the pan and gently dry roasting it. Ensure that the besan doesn't turn brown and the stove needs to be in low flame. So it's about 1 minute now. Now the besan has started leaving out aroma. So that's when you need to put off the flame, and this is good enough for the 7 cup burfi. I've put off the stove, and to this I'm going to add all the ingredients one by one. I'm adding 1 cup of coconut, giving it a mix. To this I'm adding 1 cup of milk, 3 cups of sugar, and lastly 1 cup of ghee. I'm going to mix all of these well, and then I will be switching on the flame. Ensure that there are no lumps. Now I have mixed all of them thoroughly. I'm going to switch on the stove. I'm keeping it between low to medium, and I'm going to start stirring them continuously. It is around 2 minutes after I switched on the stove, and you can see that it has started boiling well. My flame is in low flame. From the start till the end, you need to continuously keep stirring them, and you cannot leave the ladle and go away, otherwise this will get burnt. So you need to stand right next to it and keep stirring it continuously. Now it is around 7 minutes now. You can see the texture. It is getting thick slowly. Keep stirring it continuously. I am using a non-stick vessel here. This is a ceramic coated Mayer brand saute pan. So in case you are interested in the review of this cookware, then check the I button or the description box below. So this is the first recipe which my mother-in-law had taught me when I had got married. Now this is around 13 minutes now. You can see how the consistency has become now. It is much thicker than before. Now all this need to come together like a ball. Till then we need to keep stirring them. Now this is around 15 minutes now. You can see that it is forming as a ball. It is coming together. It has started to leave the sides of the pan, and this has become like a ball like thing now. Now this is done. We will be transferring this to a plate now. We will gently tap the mixture so that it gets set well in the thali. You may also use any kind of a flat vessel like this to flatten it out evenly. Now I am going to use a knife and cut it. We need to cut it before it becomes completely dry. Once it becomes completely dry and set, you will not be able to cut it into pieces. So as soon as you set them on the plate, in like next 2-3 minutes, you should be able to cut them like this. I'm just making simple squares, nothing fancy, just basic squares. You may also cut them in diamond shape like this, as per your choice. Now you can see that the barfi is cut into squares. I am going to allow this to completely cool down and then I will show you. Now after 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, once it's like completely cool, you can nicely remove the pieces like this. It will come nicely like this. And I'm transferring this to a serving bowl. That's all guys. Do try this recipe for the upcoming festivals of Dashara, Diwali, etc. Do hit a like, share it with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling with Your YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching and bye bye.